Astranis will be building the first ever dedicated communication satellite for the nation of Taiwan. This Astranis micro-geo represents resilience. It will ensure that Chunghwa Telecom's network remains operational in times of crisis, whether in the face of natural disasters or other disruptions to terrestrial infrastructure. It will serve as a critical backbone for cellular connectivity, maritime communications, and essential government services across Taiwan. Astranis was founded on the belief that access to secure, sovereign communications infrastructure is foundational to peace, prosperity, and self-determination. That belief drives the Astranis mission to support our global partners, and it is the reason we are gathered here today.
We chose to work with Astranis because of your expertise and the advanced technology of the micro-geo satellite system. We believe this collaboration will greatly benefit Taiwan's communication capability. Let's move forward together to a more connected future.
We are honored to be part of this moment, and we look forward to continuing to support Taiwan and its people for many years to come.